Yeah, sabonani wengane zakwethu sondelani lana-ke to our YouTube channel, my YouTube channel, your brother's Gogo's YouTube channel. It's yours, it's mine. Today we're speaking about Annelem Mdoda from 94.7. She is a presenter. Annelem Mdoda is a sister to Thembisa Mdoda, who was a presenter for OPE, and also the same lady owazalela wathi uzalelwe akani kanti eqamba manga. So Annelem Mdoda is known for loved by white people. She speaks good English. She twerk. She's she's also friends with the other ones who are whitish like her. She's a Lomer. She's also friends with Kaya Dlanga, who's a writer. She's also friends with Trevor Noah. Yabona nje anene abangani bakhe bayisingisi bawo cream bakhuluma isingisi United Ntombazane. So nje naseredweni yakhe uthanda belungu hleze kushiwo kuthi Anele nje ngiwe ngeke umthinta abelungu bayayifela ngakho ishow yakhe nalapha emsebenzini wakhe uxabana noAnele nje ekhohlwa uzoxoshwa wena ngoba uAnele uhamba phambili Anele kuhleze break yake lapha abhaleke into asokezenza yake. Ayike Annelem Mdoda, you are in Cape Town from a restaurant called The Soul something, and she's going home to Rockefeller Hotel. First of all, why are you staying at Rockefeller Hotel while you're rich and have money? Because that hotel is not hoteling. Like I do better even when I'm in Cape Town. Aibo sesibona video trend Anele uxabana ne foreign Nigerian Uber driver. Open, yeah, open. Repeat what you just said. How? Anele wenzakale. Anele, her side of the story says the driver was upset because she chose a do not talk to me option. So ukuthi uyangena udriver uyazi just losisa akafuna ukukhuluma. Honestly, I think that option is not good. I think that option ixabanisa no driver. You already I know ukuthi right sakho, but I think ingabe khona because I think you can always tell a person, or they can always tell mangafuna ukukhuluma, driver can start speaking and then you be more like yeah. I mean, you're not interested, or you're like, yeah, but let me just take a nap. I think it's a bit rudish, but again, it's your right tick. But as Annele again, she chose a do not talk to me option, and the driver was upset for that. And then what's my in the sense, and then what's the driver? If you are in my country, so the option is to do not talk to me. What hanging and just to travel with a country name of Sagleb, Wangapum. I'm pure xenophobic. Like I'm a phone and I'm phone for some Nigerian phone, hand. But at this stage, it's not making sense. And then OTM was a pretend to go to live, and then was say Wahamba when okay, apparently about 7 minutes trip, ne? When Wahamba ayokela usastina lo muntu kanjalo usho usuphathi nendawo angacela usicela ukudroshwa ke udrop at least uthi uvula umnyango umtshela ukuthi ufuna ukuthi akudrophe and then usufuna I don't know skeke wadinwa ku Anele ke watshela abantu ku social media ukuthi how she has felt what happened. Ama South Africans awadlali ke but silalela hold up when enablisha ama foreign avelela when uthanda ama foreign uqala lokho even icleaner yakho iZimbabwe uqala lokho wayithatha way upgrade wayenza head of production wayithengela imoto unene wakho wena weba South Africans beningi umsebenzi so nje lento awenza yona le foreigner alikwenze more. Hayibo guys, South Africans started saying they stand with foreigners even though they hate them just because uAnele ilabantu ukuthi mungabe kunenkinga le South Africa kukhulunywa ngento ezithile ezithinta ama foreigner bathule bona baba abantu abangelandaba because in their minds they are favoring ama foreign. Okay, sharp keke andize uAnele obviously celebrity a contact uBhake usho ukuthi hayi they taking the matter yabo into seriousness washoxoshwa ceme. So today the guy, okay, I post the name of the foreigner. So there the foreigner comes and say, Let me tell my side of my story. I've been here since 2013. I have never trained for anything. And the very first time training, I'm training bad this way. And then two, I was sleeping. I woke up being told to go some training. My car is all over. And then two, I'm gonna tell you what happened. This lady is taking advantage of me because she's known. Then the Uber driver says, I picked up this lady from Seoul. She was going to Rockefeller, which is 7 minutes, and then she entered, and then I didn't speak to her, and then just sisahamba nje ngezwa kuthi qhu ewindini ngathi mina, what's happening, are you okay? Uthi wathi ugeli, yebo I'm okay, iring yami le eshayile wind. Okay, sharp. Uthi siqhubeke futhi sihambe. Ugeli ngibone ngathi uzama ukuvula isicapha kwashacima, and athi I no ngiright uthi ngilale, I think I'm tired or tipsy. Uthi driver akazwanga noma uthe tipsy noma tired. Uthi ke ngithi mina, oh you tipsy. Uthi ke hayi ke, that's where it's all started. Then Anele started fighting with me and then tell me ukuthi I must go back to my country, blah 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 blah, and then started shooting. To be honest with you, I don't think both both explanation makes sense. Angimkhulu Anele and Daisho ayenze nje sense. But however, I also don't believe in this driver also, what the driver is saying. Like, what are you saying, driver? What are you saying? Niklabane so ukuthi okay beshay ukushaya ngathi windi lakho. So if unless ethi bekadake uAnele mhlawumbe bethi uzama ukulala wanquphazela noma unquphazela washaya iwindi, kodwa phela athi feel weze nomsindo othi bang usho kanjani. I don't know guys, what do you think happened? You know, but abantu abaningi ke bathi no Anele was drunk, because obviously she was shouting, but Anele was drunk, so she was drunk and she sounded very drunk. So kunamathi kodwa abantu sebethi hayi mhlawumbe ufuna ukulala manje mhlawumbe befuna wenza ama advances toward the driver and the driver didn't fall for it. That's why kanje. What do you think happened between Anele and that foreign driver, that Uber driver? Ucabangani laba version abawushoyo ayenze sense, even ngeke ayidlala ngasi laba. Guys, please make sure you press like and you comment. Let's talk on the comment section.
There we go. What's up guys? Just want to make sure you all are here as I get home safely to my hotel so I can do my radio show in the morning at 6 a.m. 2947. Here we go. This is the guy I was telling you guys about. Shouting, wanting to disrespect Uber rules. Yeah, face the other way. Face the other way, my guy.
Please, can you get out of my car, please?
Yeah.
Please, can you get out of my car?
Say it again. No, he's an asshole. Say it again. He threatened me the whole way back here. Say it again. Say it again. Say it again. I'm recording him on purpose. I'm recording you on purpose. You threatened me the whole way home. Yeah. Go.